Alright, good morning, 8th grade percussionist Van Alstine. I'm going to perform for you The Dragon's Tail at the end of our book, Dynamic Art of Snare Drum. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and play it like at the base minimum level speed that's marked on the solo itself at 88, quarter equals 88. Okay, so I'll go ahead and perform it first. Take all the form of it, the repeats. Notice it has DS al coda, which means descendo al coda, which means go to the sign, and then take it from there to where the coda is when it says to coda, which is the bottom of the first page. You're going to kind of skip over to the bottom of the second page where you see that little coda sign. Okay. All right. So you want to be thinking about, your level system. Making sure your taps are well defined from right to left. Making sure that your flams are excellent flam quality. Okay. Making sure you're getting good separation. Not too open. Okay. Definitely not too closed. All right. They need to sound like flams. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and play it for you. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put the metronome on so you can hear that. Okay, so that's the Dragon's Tail. Alright, that was at quarter equals 88. Alright, so now what you got to do really is, again, isolate all the individual rudiments. Take it slow, analyze all of them, okay? Maybe get a PAS, rudimental listing of the rudiments. It's easy. Just go on Google and search under PAS International Rudiments, and then go through and catalog those. You can also go back through your book and be sure that you understand the rudiments that you see in this solo. You practice, okay, all of those very carefully, okay, and then go through and then work it phrase by phrase. Start really slow, okay. You don't have to do it at the minimum speed there, okay. Practice it like at 50. If you need to, and work each phrase and then connect phrases and then speed it up from there, okay? So work on sound quality. That's the biggest thing. Consider how your grip is affecting your technique. Think about the stroke system that you've learned and how that needs to be applied in different situations, okay? There's a lot involved in being able to play with a high degree of control and mastery. Okay, and that's what you're trying to do, bridging, you know, from 8th grade into 9th grade. You're trying to make sure that you're bringing all the factors together that you've been studying. Okay, so you have all the tools you need. Application is a big deal right now. Okay, all right. So practice carefully, work hard on it. All right. If you have any questions, you know, give me a message, and we'll go from there. All right. If I need to work with you one-on-one through some kind of video conference or something like that, you know, we can do that too. All right. I have a really cool, fancy schmancy set up here at my house. I'd be happy to help you guys with that. All right. But you got to give me kind of some advance notice. All right. So I miss you guys a whole bunch. Get to work on it if you're not already there, and play this great. Okay, the Dragon's Tail. That's kind of your graduation test for all Van Alstyne percussionists. You need to have that worked up. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. I'll see you later. All right. Stay healthy.